A cacophony of bird calls erupt in the early hours at Cheonsu Bay. In the darkness, a vehicle with its headlights off enters the Bay Area. The researchers quietly observe Ganwol Lake. However, they cannot make out much in the dawn light. It is difficult to assess the situation in the deep end of the lake until the sun rises. Little by little, the lake is revealed. The birds are close to the water. This will make it easier for them to catch a few specimens. Harmless shots are fired in the darkness. It appears that the cannon net did its job. The nets are about a kilometer away from where the shots were fired. The safety of the birds is a priority. Capturing the birds at night, when they have a limited field of vision, is more effective. The birds caught in the nets will be taken back for banding, but first, they are untangled from the nets. This is the first bird capture project in the Cheonsu Bay Area. Altogether, 11 bean geese were caught. They are quickly moved. To minimize the disturbance to the resting birds, the researchers leave the lake as quick as possible. After their work is done, the sun rises at last to illuminate Ganwol Lake. The birds captured in the nets are taken to a nearby field where they will be tested and fitted with bands. Only bean geese were caught. A basic rectum probe test is administered to see if the birds have any parasites. Blood samples are drawn too. After their blood is tested, the researchers will get a clear idea on whether or not they are carrying the avian influenza virus. These specimens will help humans understand wild birds better. The blood is tested in a lab on the same day to analyze it quicker. All sample results are carefully recorded. At last, they are done with their work.
국가 차원에서 조류독감 AI가 이제 농가나 여러 가지 이렇게 피해를 줄 수 있는 그런 바이러스라서 지금 야생조류가 AI를 가지고 있는지 안 가지고 있는지 AI 바이러스 그 바이러스의 이제 보균 여부를 이렇게 확인하기 위해서 저희가 이제 포획을 해서 체열, 인후두, 그다음에 항문 수압을 한 후에 이제 포획된 개체는 바로 현장에서 방사를 하고 있습니다.
Birds that have been tested are released on site so that they can return to their flock. This flock of geese is returning from the rice paddies. The geese rest peacefully in the lake. After gorging on rice, the geese quench their thirst and playfully mingle with each other. This helps them digest their food. The geese flock takes to the air again. Twice a day, The geese put on a grand display as they head towards the rice paddies. All of the geese in the lake join the formation. During the autumn season, over 150,000 geese will gather here and create a grand spectacle. They eat fallen grains after the harvest is over. Since the fields are littered with grains, the geese spend a little over a month to replenish their energy in preparation for a long migration.